Good afternoon, my name is Nathan Parks and behind me is a 2010 Cadillac DTS Superior Premier. A little bit different. 70,000 miles, two-way purple strobes up front, flag mounts and staffs, and a silver pinstripe. It is front-wheel drive, beautiful white walls. You do have a painted black top, so body color top, along with the rear section as well. Crown band overall. Looking inside here, it is a cork floor with a light, almost like a neutral interior inside here. Open church truck compartment. You do have two chrome nameplate holders, gray drapes as well. Very plain Jane, but very interesting when you get to the rear of the coach. As you can see, I'm walking under the rear load door here. This is one of the first few hatchback style DTSs. They became very popular in the MKT Lincoln chassis. However, they were doing it all the way back in a 2010 DTS. Looking back here, you do have a traditional style roller floor, 10 rollers throughout, beer pin plates throughout as well. There's a quick adjust beer pin on the far right. You do have 6 LEDs in the roof and 2 back here as well. Bumper carpet. This bumper carpet does have a relief in it for the door latch for the rear here. Door goes straight up, plenty of room. I'm 6 foot tall and I clear underneath it, so you'll be fine. The best part about this is there's no door into traffic. So there's no swing open door, it just goes right up, very similar to a hatchback. All you have to do to close it is slide this here. You can either push this button and it'll suck it down, or you can suck it down manually. Either way, I like to do it that way, so it's a little bit faster. License plate back here. You do have some LEDs in the tail lamps as well. Chrome style Superior Landau bars, and then this beautiful chrome trim that wraps around the entire rear of the vehicle. Pop it open here, you have a full-size matching spare tire. It is tucked away in here, closed well on this side. DTS, by far one of the most renowned body styles. I ran from 2006 all the way to 11.5. Interior wise, you could have a range of colors. This one came with my favorite, black on black. It does have, once again, 70,000 miles, runs and drives extremely well. It does also have that lower rocker chrome, as you can see there. Just overall, it has been upgraded as much as physically possible. V8 engine, front wheel drive. You do get Sirius XM, AM, FM radio, tilt and telescoping column. So nice and easy. The center console does flip up. You can put a third person there if need be. Vehicle is available, will be reconditioned soon here. Give me a call, 800-229-5008, or visit us at parksrear.com where you can see 80+ photos of this car, a walk around demo, and this beautiful demo right here. Once again, thank you very much.